Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page if you haven't been there already. In today's video, I would like to share a little bit of my produce with you guys, and this is the produce came from my garden. This is actually 1/4 of it what it grew in the garden. A lot of them were eaten by rabbits, and some of them I gave it to my friends. So this is like 25% out of all that came. And now the tomato plants are almost dying, so it gave out for this season. I might replant some of the tomato seeds I have, and the plants came out a little bit bigger, about 2-3 inches. The new one I'm trying to plant, but I don't know if we're going to have enough time for those to give any tomatoes. But for this season it seems to be over, and I had about, let's say, 20 pounds of tomato. This year it wasn't too many because most of them were eaten by rabbits and knocked them off. The squirrels knocked them off and they kind of wasted it. They ate half of it. And at the end I found the solution for getting rid of rabbits, so next year hopefully I wouldn't have the rabbit problems. Getting rid of rabbits is very easy, and I found that the hard way. What you need to do is, if you have a lot of rabbits in your garden and destroying all your fruits and vegetables, then you need to add humus manure in your garden. And rabbits really do not like other animal feces, so if you add humus manure in your garden, the rabbits will not destroy your garden. So these are the tomatoes, and beside that I had lots of beans. So beans were mostly eaten by my friends, me and the rabbits. So now I have lots of this green squash, which I'm going to make a squash curry. This one I picked up a few days ago, so this is a little bit old, and now I have to make a curry out of it before it gets spoiled. So I had many big green squashes, but I'm not letting them grow too big, because when they grow really too big, they started developing seeds inside. Then the squash are not very tasty, so I try to pick them up when they are very little. Also it's a kind of like a war between me and the squirrels. The squirrels knock them off too. So that's the squash. And then I had some long Chinese eggplant, which I actually cooked it already. So these are the short eggplant, and there were about 6-7 of these, and they come like 1 or 2 in each plant. So this is the biggest I grew them. I didn't want to make it too big. Again, the same reason, when these vegetable gets really big, then I see them having hard seeds, and then you cannot eat the vegetable. And my bell pepper kind of stayed small this year, but they're very tasty, so I had many of these. And these also eaten by some rabbits, squirrels, and me and my friends. So some of the tomatoes I just picked it up and making them red in home so I can save few. So this year gardening was really good, but not as much as the last year. Last year was more, and I'm hoping to do better next year. We'll see. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video, and I will be sharing some pictures with you, whatever left in the garden. And my garden pumpkin gave me a lot of leaves, so I cooked the pumpkin curry with the leaves, and I will add a video to that later, how to cook the pumpkin leaves. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you with another video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.